Me and Jay?
Yes.
Me too. I'm scared.
Doesn't want to? Amy, is that a bath? You want to get in the big bath? Jay, do a run and jump into the pool for me. Oh, wait. All right, now go back all the way to the bucket. All right, watch out, Brett. Go.
Whoa.
Yes. That was awesome.
That was awesome.
That was the funniest one I ever did.
That was great. Only you can do that because you're an eel now, right?
But I got snorkels up in my nose.
Wanna do it again? Watch out, Brett. Wait for Amy. Oh, this thing is waterproof.